I've never done this in any shape or form before. Got our magic sauce. We'll see if we can make the grain really pop for the camera. Let's see what happens. Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm in the forest just outside Mountain Voice Inc. Back in the early 90s, this company was owned by a single individual. He didn't own the farmland or any of the equipment that he was using to make this product. That was accumulated at a steady pace. Spruce trees shed water extremely well. The water runs down the pine needles away from the base of the tree, where the fine roots are waiting to absorb all that moisture. If you find yourself alone in the forest and you need a shelter, just find yourself a nice bushy spruce tree. You should have a nice warm place to sleep. Nice and dry. This wood is remarkably well preserved for sitting in a forest all these years. Yeah, that's nice. I'll take that. JB, my dad's initials. It's meant to be. So I'm going to take some of this wood inside our big shop. We're going to run it through some of our equipment and clean it up and let the grain pop, and we'll discover what we've got here together. Yeah, so I've got two pieces of 115 that I've cleaned up here. I've just given it a light plane because I don't want to take too much thickness off of it, but this is what we get when we see the grain here. It's pretty nice. It's absolutely, the grain lines are absolutely dead straight. There's not much for hard lines either. It looks pretty good. So we've got kind of like, I would say sort of like medium to tight, and then very progressively, once we start getting about here, we start getting a little bit wider, which is actually something we like to see. We like to see like progressive grain lines. Hold it by the thick side, try and figure out where the node is. Yeah, there we have it, 115. So if you are interested in getting some 115, because we've got a whole stash of it there, we're going to dig through and try and get some to some of the nicer, more preserved pieces that are at the bottom. But if you're excited about wood that is like 30 years old and no other luthier or anyone has ever picked through it before, we go and see our website. We'll put a link up there. Whether it's new wood or whether we're uncovering old wood, people on our email list are the first people to know. So definitely sign up for that. We'll put a link up for that as well. We got our magic sauce. We'll see if we can make the grain really pop for the camera. Let's see what happens. There we go. Look at that. Bring it out. There you can see those grain lines show up a little bit better. There's nothing like spruce. Hear that sound. So 115 available on our website. So head over to our website, take a look. You might look at this piece. You might see something else that you like even more. We've got lots of stuff on there, and this is going on the shelf.